Unveiling the Phrase, I Announce, a guide to clear communication. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a phrase that might seem straightforward but holds a wealth of significance in English, I announce. This video will explore its meanings, uses, and the contexts in which you can employ this phrase to enhance your English communication skills. Whether you're an English language learner or just looking to polish your language use, you're in the right place. So let's get started. When someone says, I announce, they're usually about to declare something formally or publicly. Announcements can be about anything important or official that needs to be shared with a group of people. For instance, I announce the winner of the competition, or I announce my engagement. But there's more to this phrase than just its surface meaning. Depending on the context, I announce can also carry a sense of responsibility and authority. It's a phrase that sets the stage for the information that follows and signals that the speaker has something significant to share. Not all announcements require the formal phrasing of I announce. In casual situations, people might just say, I have something to tell you, or I want to say something. I announce is particularly suited to formal or ceremonial occasions. It adds a level of gravity to what's being said, making it perfect for press releases, important gatherings, or significant social or work-related announcements. It's also interesting to note the different ways in which I announce can be varied. Adding a word can change the tone or the specificity of the announcement. For example, I proudly announce implies the speaker is excited or pleased about the news they're sharing. On the other hand, I regretfully announce suggests that the news is somber or disappointing. Using I announce effectively can greatly impact how your message is received. It's not just about the words themselves, but about how you deliver them. An announcement should be clear, confident, and convey the appropriate emotion for the content of the message. It's also critical to consider your audience and the setting when deciding how formal your announcement should be. Thank you for watching. I hope this exploration of I announce helps you understand the depth and flexibility of this phrase. Remember, the power of an announcement comes not just from the words you choose but also from how you present them. Use I announce wisely, and you'll be sure to command attention and convey your messages effectively. Until next time, keep practicing your English and never hesitate to express yourself.